Concrete panel fence design, manufacture and installation, Southeast Queensland. With clients throughout Southeast Queensland, Tough Concrete Fencing designs, manufactures, delivers and installs top quality reinforced concrete panel fences. Operating since late 2010, Tough came about due to the need for a more cost-effective alternative to block and render fences. Structurally superior to block and render, the business turns over around $372,000 and has major projects lined up for 2022. Consistently 30 to 50% cheaper, Tough Concrete Fencing has residential and long-term commercial customers, including Metricon, JG Gardner and GemAid. This business is prime for the rollout of licensed areas of operation based upon LGAs throughout Southeast Queensland. The current owner is selling due to genuine health issues and is looking for a good operator to take over. This well-established and secure business offers high profit margins, great contractors, and consistent influx of new work.